Assalamu alaikum, dear friends. Are you ready for a new event? Let's go. Do you remember where and when the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam was born? Who is his father? What is his mother's name? His grandfather and his favorite uncle's name? Do you also remember his nanny's name? I know you do. Yes, he was born in Mecca in the year of elephant. His father is Abdullah and his mother is Amina. His grandfather is Abdul Muttalib and his favorite uncle is Abu Talib. Finally, his nanny is Lady Halima. You also know that his nickname was As-Sadiq al-Amin, the honest and the trustworthy. Let's learn more about the honest and the trustworthy Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wasallam. One day, a storm formed over Mecca. The dark clouds covered the sun and started to rain. It rained so hard that Mecca was flooded. The flood destroyed the houses in Mecca and damaged parts of the Kaaba. The people of Mecca rebuilt their houses, but the Kaaba remained untouched. They weren't sure what to do, but they noticed the damage is getting bigger, so they decided to rebuild the Kaaba. They needed wood to build the Kaaba. So one person remembered that he saw a shipwreck on his way from Syria to Mecca. So he told the leaders of Mecca, and they sent someone to get the wood to help rebuild the Kaaba. The Kaaba was finally rebuilt, but now who will have the honor to put the black stone in its place? The people start arguing and fighting among each other until a man came up with a solution. He told them that the first person will come from the corner of the Kaaba will be the judge between them. At this time, As-Sadiq al-Amin came from that corner, and the people were so happy to see him. The trustworthy and the honest Muhammad listened carefully to all the men. He understood the problem, and then he started thinking. He came up with an idea. He took off his cloak and laid it down on the ground. So the Prophet ﷺ asked each tribe to send a person. This person will hold a side of his cloak, and then he will be part of carrying the black stone. The men were happy, so they did what the Prophet ﷺ asked them. They all carried the black stone happily, and the Prophet ﷺ took the black stone and put it in its rightful place. Everyone trusted As-Sadiq al-Amin judgment and his intelligence. Now, do you listen when it's needed? See you in the next event, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum.